By way of an illustration, the topic that I mentioned in the preceding slide is best explained by way of an illustration here. The formula is actually Ni is equal to the quantity NCLO divided by TNH times TNI. Ni means the number of items per learning outcome. NCLO is the number of hours consumed per learning outcome, while TNH is the total number of hours for the particular testing period. In our example, the TNH is 60. So in illustration number 1, the first entry under the total number of items is 4. So that is taken from the computation 5 divided by 60 times 50. 5 there is the total number of hours spent for learning outcome number 1, and 60 is the total number of hours times the total number of items, which is 50. The result is 4.17. Of course, you will round it off. So 4.17 is equal to 4. There must be a necessity to round it off because number of items should be always a whole number. And illustration number 2, the second entry under the total number of items, that is 2 divided by 60 times 50. 2 there is the total number of hours spent for learning outcome number 2, and 60, as I have said, is the total number of hours for the whole testing period, times 50, the total number of expected test items. That will give you 1.67. Rounding it off, so you have 2. That is the explanation for the preceding slide.